So what are we doing today? We're doing brakes. Oops. So you might not have known this before, but we actually already did the brakes. The rotors were so seized onto the hub that we couldn't even get them off. So we decided to just put it all back together, pack up, and try another day. But we're gonna try again. So with that said, first things first, we're gonna spray PB Blaster. That is super rusted on there. So the plan is, I'm gonna let that soak for a little while. We'll come right back. See if we can get it off. She already has R1 rotors in the front and pads. So today she'll be getting a full R1 brake setup. So we're gonna compare the R1 Concepts brakes to these factory brakes and see if it's worth it or not. But we'll see. There we go. Ow! Oh!
I have a dead leg from that.
So right here, there's this little pin here. You're gonna wanna pop this guy out. This little slide out. Alright, let's see how this goes. Prop this guy up here, that should be fine. It's not budging at all, man. I don't know. No? Oh yeah, it is. Ah! It came off! No. Oh yeah. Very good.
There.
Ah! She's loose! That's PB Blaster. Where's the brake clean?
Cool. Ew! Stop!
Put it on!
I already showered. Oh, much better.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, pretty.
So these are the R1 Concepts OEP. These are the base pads. Look at those. Look at those, man. Those are toast.
Guess which is which?
Yeah, can you find out? These still have a little bit of life left on them, but honestly, it's worth upgrading. Apparently this is the best tool for the job here. Alright, here's the one. Saves time. I don't know. See, I'm trying to like push and get it to. Oh, there we go. There it goes. Okay, that's actually in. That's it. So your brake hardware is going to come with two pieces. You have this M or W shaped anti-rattle clip here, and then this is your retainer. See this hook at the bottom? This hook needs to be below this guide pin. You're going to have these little divots pointing down, and these question marks are going to be hooked around into those eyelets there. And you're going to squeeze these guys and press them down. That's only half the equation. You're going to take this off, and you're actually going to be putting this inside of these hooks. I'm going to slide these guys in so we have the W shaped like that. Get this big hook right there underneath the guide pin, and then you're sort of set up right there. So then what you're going to want to do hook the question marks in again. Right? And then you're gonna take these little, it takes a lot of fiddling. Once you have all that settled, what you're going to do, this section right here, this little pin needs to be on the outside of the caliper. There we go. All right, I have it set right underneath that guide pin. There's a small gap. There's a small gap in the guide pin, and if you can get that upper step to slide down below that, then you're able to actually get this lip to slide over. Look at this hooligan. Your mom's sleeping, you jerk.
Okay.
Sweet. The brakes came out looking awesome.
We're gonna go bed them or seat them, but we're gonna go do that, and we're gonna compare stock brakes versus the R1 concepts.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get in my car. We're gonna go down to the street. There's a little dead end over there, and then we'll just send it, slam the brakes, and we'll get a comparison between if these brakes actually do stop your car faster. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down this road here. There's no people here. This is a closed road. So that tree right there is the marker point. We're gonna test this out. Yeah, those brakes are good. Yep. Okay, well, in conclusion, we've solved it. We've solved it. Worth it. Okay, so, in conclusion.
In conclusion.
Get
R1 concepts.
Get R1 concepts. This video's not sponsored. So, I did some research. If you were to go to AutoZone and just buy front and rear rotors and pads, it's gonna be $250. These cost us around $350. Yes, it's gonna be $100 more, but still,
It's
you could also
Yeah.
spend $500 or $600 on, like, you know, high-end brakes and rotors and pads, whatever. I really actually, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, I really hope that when I was recording, that you could actually see, and feel free to leave a comment if you get stuck, because we'll definitely respond. Go to our Instagrams and reach out to us if you need any help with anything relating to IS300s, because we've done pretty much all of it. But anyway, thank you for watching our video.
Get R1 concepts.
Buy R1 concepts.
Do it.
And please subscribe to us, because we're gonna be we've got a lot of cool stuff coming up.
Yeah, a lot of big plans.
A lot of really interesting stuff that you're gonna want to see. So anyway, thanks for watching. We're that Lexus couple. Bye.